In this video, I'll show you how to quickly select multiple shapes in your Excel sheet. In our sheet, we have a project timeline which we've created in Excel, but say for example, we'd like to copy and paste this timeline into PowerPoint. One way to do this is to hold down the Control key and select each individual shape until you've selected all. However, this is very time consuming. A faster method is to go into your Home tab, click Find and Select, and then click Go to Special. Once the dialog box opens up, select Objects and then click OK. This automatically selects all shapes in your spreadsheet, which is much quicker than selecting each one manually. If, however, you don't want to select every single shape in your sheet, but only want to select some, then the following method may help. Once again, go into your Home tab, click Find and Select, and this time click Select Objects. You can now drag and select exactly which shapes you want. Once you've selected the ones you wanted, click Select Objects again, which returns you to the default Excel setting. So that's how you can quickly select multiple shapes in your Excel sheet. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.